excellent experience. Actually, I searched in a web, and found this Radiance is excellent hair studio here, and I'm fully satisfied with the hospitality, welcome message, and cooperation. Whether this Radiance hair studio lady staff and Deepak, especially Mr. Deepak, who have completed done this work, is excellent. I'm fully satisfied with this Radiance hair studio, and wish it should be keep it up.
How are you feeling with the new look, sir?
New look, it will take time to comment because just now it is implemented.
But you're overall happy with the
I'm
transformation?
happy, but because the looks have already changed, drastically. From blondness to these bulky hairs and all these things. So, actually, what happens, this human behavior, human basis to change.
Yes.
Suddenly, you have changed my posture's look. So it will take some time to adjust. But I'm looking young.
So any specific things you want us to improve on our services, or how you can rate our services, sir?
No, just keep it up. Maintain this type of hospitality and this.
You like the ambience of the
The ambience, everything is well, good. For this studio, nothing more required because this is a studio only for this wig and all this.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for your feedback, and looking forward to serve you with the services.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you so much.